is going to be human resources and finances, right? How are you going to be able to get the resources to have an effective personal injury practice? There are certain pieces that you need to run. There's certain team members you need on your team to effectively treat, to effectively, right, help you document and to help you schedule these individuals to get the correct outcomes to make sure that you present the case in the best fashion. You can't do it all by yourself. You can try, but if you want to be effective, I think you need other team members. And we'll talk about what human resources you might need. And then, guess what? Sometimes it takes money to make money, but in chiropractic, we don't need to take that much money, right? So let's not overdo it. Let's be profitable. Let's be efficient. Let's be good stewards of the money that we do have. And let's make it a profitable practice as soon as possible, right? So we're going to talk about finance as well. So that's going to be the 12 steps. Again, I'll go over quickly now. The doctor's orientation, your thinking, right? Your day 1 through 4, the procedures. Then you talk about, number 3, how we adjust. How are you going to adjust? Talk about your extremity treatments. How are you going to treat extremities? Then we talk about the therapies we use, the active and the passive therapies. And then what does it mean? We'll talk about our clinical reasoning, our reason for treating patients, for helping patients. What are we doing there? Then we're talking about the documentation. How do you document effectively, right? In any practice, scientifically, and personal injury as well. And in case management, how are we managing the case? How are we deciding what to do, how to treat a patient based upon the patient's presentations and the patient's needs and the current research? Talk about marketing and your reputation and your branding and what they know about you and what you portray. Talk about your billing and the coding that you're using and why you're using them. Are you using them correctly? This is a big topic. We'll give a scientific reason for doing that as well. And then we'll go over the front desk management, very key point, the face of your practice, outward and inward facing. And then you talk about human resources. How are you having your team members? What team members do you need? And then lastly, most importantly, not least, the finances of personal injury and how you can effectively use it, how you can effectively manage it, and what you're doing with your finances when you receive them. Hope this will be helpful. Look forward to sharing with you on these 12 steps. You have $100,000 in the first 12 months of your practice. Thank you.